If you're over 60 and still drinking that one comforting glass before bed, whether it's milk, wine, beer, tea, coffee, or even soda, listen closely. Because what feels harmless may actually be draining your testosterone, slowing your blood flow, and silently robbing you of your morning vitality. I've seen men wake up weaker, wondering if they've lost their manhood forever. But here's the truth. It's not just age, and it's not permanent. In this video, I'll reveal the hidden drink that steals your strength, and more importantly, the simple, natural alternatives that can help you wake up feeling alive again. I want to share a story I've seen again and again in my practice. A gentleman named Robert, age 66, told me, "Every night before bed, I drink a glass of warm milk. It helps me relax, but lately, when I wake up, there's no spark, no strength. I thought maybe it's just old age catching up with me." Robert's words capture the silent worry of countless men over 60. They wake up weaker, convinced their vitality is slipping away for good. But here's the important truth. You're not broken. And it's not just age. Very often, it's the small, hidden habits like what you drink before bed that make the biggest difference. For those who are new here, my name is Dr. Evelyn Hart. I'm a board-certified urologist, and for more than 25 years, I've worked with thousands of men in their 60s, 70s, and beyond. My focus has always been helping men restore their strength, circulation, and confidence without relying on quick fixes or unnecessary medications. And what I've learned is this: the wrong drink at night can quietly sabotage your hormones, slow your blood flow, and rob you of the natural morning energy that every man should have. You see, the body does most of its repair work while you sleep. Testosterone rises, blood vessels relax, tissues restore. But when you consume certain drinks before bed, you unknowingly block these vital processes. Instead of waking up refreshed, you wake up drained, and the cycle repeats, night after night. The good news is, once you know which drink is silently draining your vitality and what to replace it with, you can begin to feel the difference within days. In the next part, I'll explain exactly how these drinks affect your hormones and circulation, and why avoiding them is the first step toward waking up energized again. So let's talk about the drinks themselves. Because what many men think of as harmless bedtime choices can, in fact, quietly drain their strength. Take milk. For example, a warm glass before bed feels soothing, but many older men don't realize that dairy can increase insulin levels and disrupt testosterone balance. For some, it also causes mild inflammation or digestive stress at night, interfering with deep sleep. That's why men like Robert wake up heavy and sluggish, even after 8 hours in bed. Now let's look at alcohol, wine, beer, or even a small nightcap. While it might make you fall asleep faster, alcohol prevents the deep restorative stages of sleep where testosterone is released. Studies show even moderate drinking lowers morning testosterone by as much as 20%. One patient of mine was shocked when I explained this, because he believed his nightly glass of red wine was good for the heart. Then there's tea and coffee. Both contain caffeine, and even small amounts late in the evening can linger in your system for hours. Caffeine constricts blood vessels, reducing circulation. And remember, healthy blood flow is the foundation of morning vitality. If your vessels are tight and your body never fully relaxes, you won't wake up recharged. And don't forget soda. High in sugar, often with hidden caffeine. Soda spike blood sugar at night. This triggers insulin swings that blunt testosterone and disrupt deep sleep. One man told me, it's just a small cola with dinner. But over time, it was quietly dismantling his energy. Here's the mini hook. These drinks may look different: milk, wine, coffee, soda, but they all rob you in the same way. By blocking your body's natural nighttime repair system. And if you're over 60, your margin for error is smaller. What you drink before bed can either restore your vitality or drain it further. But here's the hopeful part. There are simple replacements. Natural drinks that support circulation, improve testosterone, and help you wake up refreshed. In the next section, I'll reveal the exact alternatives I recommend to my patients, and why just one change at night can restore energy within a week. So if those drinks are quietly draining your strength, what should you reach for instead? The good news is, nature gives us several simple, safe alternatives that support circulation, balance hormones, and prepare your body for restorative sleep. One of my favorites is warm chamomile tea. Unlike black or green tea, chamomile is naturally caffeine-free and promotes relaxation. It lowers nighttime stress hormones and helps you slip into deeper sleep cycles. The very stages where testosterone is produced. Many of my patients report that after switching from caffeinated tea to chamomile, they not only sleep better, but also feel more energized in the morning. Another powerful choice is tart cherry juice. It's rich in natural melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Research shows tart cherries can improve sleep quality and even reduce inflammation, supporting better recovery overnight. Just a small glass unsweetened and natural about an hour before bed can make a noticeable difference. Then there's golden milk, a soothing mix of warm almond milk with turmeric and a touch of honey. Unlike cow's milk, almond milk doesn't trigger the same insulin response, and turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Together, they support circulation and calm the body for a deeper rest. One man in his 70s told me, "Doctor, after switching to this, I sleep soundly and I feel like myself again when I wake up." Beyond drinks, a few evening habits multiply these benefits. Dimming lights an hour before bed, avoiding screens, and practicing slow breathing helps signal your body to release melatonin naturally. Pairing these with a vitality-supporting drink creates the perfect environment for hormonal balance and blood flow repair. And here's the hopeful takeaway. You don't need expensive supplements or risky pills. By simply avoiding the wrong drink and choosing a natural alternative, you give your body the chance to restore its strength while you sleep. Famin or triste. That can mean the difference between waking up tired or waking up with renewed vitality. So let's bring this all together. If you're a man over 60 and you wake up feeling weaker, drained, or less alive than you used to, it's not always age. Very often, it's the small nightly choices like what you drink before bed that quietly strip away your vitality. Milk, alcohol, caffeine, and soda may feel harmless, but they interfere with testosterone, slow your blood flow, and rob your body of the deep repair it needs while you sleep. The encouraging truth is this: you are not powerless. By simply avoiding the wrong drinks and replacing them with natural, supportive alternatives like chamomile tea, tart cherry juice, or golden milk, you give your body the chance to restore itself. Pair these with calming evening habits, and you'll notice not just better sleep, but a real difference in how you feel when you wake up. I've seen men in their 60s and 70s make this small change and reclaim a sense of strength they thought was gone for good. And if they can do it, so can you. Now here's your next step. Don't stop here. In my next video, I'll share a simple morning drink that helps boost circulation, support testosterone, and restore energy throughout the day. Click the link below or check the description to keep building your vitality. One habit at a time. If this video gave you clarity, let me know in the comments. Your story may inspire another man to take back his strength. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your diet, lifestyle, or health routine.